Hello students, today let us discuss a numerical. In the numerical, the question states, in the circuit shown in the figure, the 5 ohm resistor develops 20 calorie per second due to the current that is flowing through it. Now the question asked, what is the heat that is developed in this 2 ohm resistor? This is the job which you need to perform. What is the heat that is developed in this 2 ohm resistor? So let us solve the numerical. Okay, so look, first we should calculate what is the current that is flowing through this resistor, and in order to calculate that we will use Joule's law of heat dissipation. From Joule's law of heat dissipation, we know H is equals to I square R. Look, normally the mathematical form of Joule's law is H is equals to I square R into T. T for time, R for resistance, I for current, and H for the heat that is being dissipated. But here it is given that the 5 ohm resistance develops 20 calorie per second. Okay, so we will not consider T over here because heat developed is calculated per unit time. So here it is normally H by T, but symbolically we are using H and we are not considering time. Okay, because it is given in such a fashion. Okay, now look, H is equals to I square R. Now we want to calculate the current that is flowing through this 5 ohm resistor, right? So what we will simply consider a suffix 5 over here, and current also, and resistance. Resistance value is 5 ohm. Okay, so therefore we can write I5 square is equals to simply H5 by R. Okay, now it is given that H5 is equals to 20 calorie per second. So 20, and resistance is 5 ohm. So 5. So therefore we are getting, and that comes out to be around 4. So therefore we can write I5 is equals to 2. Okay, by square rooting on both the sides of this above equation we are getting I5 is equals to 2. Okay, so I5 is equals to 2 ampere. That is the current that is flowing through this resistor. This is I5 and this is 2 ampere. Okay, yes, so this is the thing. Okay, now I am rubbing this portion. So what we have calculated just now, current through the 5 ohm resistor, and that is 2 ampere. Okay, now our next job is to calculate this current I, that is the main current. In order to calculate that, we will use current division rule. Current division rule. From current division rule, we know I5 will be equals to main current. This is the main current, that is I, into next path resistance. I5 is flowing through this path. The next path resistance is this, that is 6 plus 5. These two resistors are connected in series. So 6 plus 5 ohm by sum of all the three resistances. Okay, This is current division rule. Sum of all the three resistances in the denominator. This would be 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9. So it is I. This is 9 plus 6, 15. This is 9 plus 6, 15 plus 5, 20. So 15 by 20, that is 4I by 3. So I5 is equals to 4I upon 3, and I is equals to 3 by 4 I5. So I is equals to simply 3 by 4 I5. I5 is equals to 4I by 3, then I will be equals to 3 by 4 I5. And we know I5, so I is equals to, just a minute, I5 is equals to main current into the next path resistance, that is this 2, by sum of the total resistances, 6 plus 9 by 6 plus 9 plus 5, so it is 15 by